So let's review the multiple linear regression lab example. So we use the penguins data. So let's skip to the end. So basically we do the multi regressions and then we use the OLS formula. Then let's see the result. So let's check this one by one to make sure that you get an idea about the output. So first, we have the OLS model and R square and adjust R square and F static with the probability of the F static. Then we combine with the log likelihood and AIC-BIC. The AIC-BIC is using to compare another model, so you can skip this. And this 233 and 228 and 4 is the number and the degree of the freedom and the model we use for the 4 independent variable. So then let's move on to this one, the intercept and the memory, that is the coefficients, standard area, t-score, p-value, and the range. Okay, when we have a series of the model metrics to describe, so we check later. Let's go to the note 2. So the note 2, the intercept is 2032 and each coefficient is just like this. Okay, then we have the standard error and the t-score coefficient divided by the error, and we have p-value and we have the range. Then we move on to this one, omnibus. So the higher the better, so means like if you is smaller than 5%, it will be highly trick, that is the non-normality. And you can compare this optimist and the JB, so it's a similar idea. So if you got lower for this, you will treat this as the non-normality as well. And this is another matrix scoop and KURTOSIS. Then let's go to the DW. So the DW is this one, but let's check. So this one, so we can go to the detail from here. The summary, these two, if p-value is smaller than 5%, which is suggest non-normality, which is stable, and the JB probability treat like a p-value smaller than 5% is the issue, is the same. And the DW, this is the autocorrelation. So the DW is related to the time series, I remember. So if you have the time series data, you will use that. But if not, I think you will automatically get a value is very good. Okay, that's it. So I hope you can check the GitHub repository IB. So I put everything here. Okay, so you can get many lab, as many as you want. But you, ciao.